Inside the lining of your stomach exist billions of microscopic factories called parietal cells. They don't store acid. That would be suicidal. Instead, they manufacture it on demand using a remarkable piece of molecular machinery. This machine, an enzyme known as the H plus K plus ATPase, is a proton pump. It actively grabs hydrogen ions from water inside the cell and forces them out into your stomach, a process that consumes a tremendous amount of energy. Simultaneously, chloride ions are channeled out to meet them. It's only in the vast, empty space of your stomach that these two components finally combine. The result is hydrochloric acid, and its concentration is staggering. Your gastric fluid maintains a pH between 1.5 and 3.5. Because the pH scale is logarithmic, the difference between the neutral pH of 7 in your blood and the pH of 2 in your stomach isn't a factor of 5, it's a 100,000-fold difference in acidity. This environment is so corrosive, it can dissolve a piece of zinc, a metal often used to galvanize steel against rust. It doesn't just eat away at it, it chemically reduces the metal, stripping away its electrons. So why doesn't this potent chemical dissolve the very organ that creates it? The defense isn't simple mucus. It's a highly engineered two-phase barrier. The first layer is a thick, viscous gel of mucin proteins, a physical shield. But embedded within this gel is the true secret: bicarbonate ions. These alkaline molecules are pumped out by the surface cells of the stomach lining, creating a microenvironment right next to the tissue where the pH is almost neutral. An incoming acid proton is instantly neutralized by a bicarbonate ion before it can ever touch the cell wall. Even this brilliant chemical shield isn't perfect. Some acid gets through, and cells are damaged. The stomach's second line of defense is simply to be disposable. The epithelial cells that form the innermost lining of your stomach have one of the shortest lifespans of any cell in your body, lasting only 2 to 6 days. Deep within the gastric pits are stem cells constantly producing replacements. Your entire stomach lining is essentially demolished and rebuilt from scratch every single week. It survives not by being invincible, but by perpetually regenerating. Why go to all this trouble? Why evolve such a dangerous, high-maintenance system? Because the world you ingest is hostile. Nearly every bite of food and sip of water is contaminated with bacteria, viruses, and parasites. The acid bath is a chemical inferno, a non-specific defense that annihilates the vast majority of these pathogens before they can reach your intestines. But it also serves a critical digestive function. Proteins are complex, intricately folded molecules like microscopic origami. The extreme acidity forces these proteins to denature, to violently unfold into long, simple chains, making them vulnerable to attack by your digestive enzymes.
Monotony has grown fast. Nearly 2,700 people have watched in the last few weeks, yet less than 0.03% are subscribed. It would mean a lot if you joined by hitting subscribe. And again, thanks for watching.